Good morning to all of you. Today we'll start mechanics, engineering mechanics. Last class I have done theory classes and the formula for equations of motion. Clear? I will continue that chapter and then I will do problems. Now the subject name is engineering mechanics. Right? Last class I have derived the formula for rectilinear motion of the body. Rectilinear motion, that means the body moving in a straight line. Again I repeat that theory. Suppose the body moves from A to B. Consider the motion of body from A to B. At A, its initial velocity is u. At B, its final velocity is v. The body moves with uniform acceleration A. A is uniform acceleration. And time taken to reach from A to B is t seconds. Right? Consider the motion of the body from A to B. At A, its initial velocity is u. At B, its final velocity is v. Let A is uniform acceleration. Body moves with uniform acceleration. And t is the time taken from A to B. Let the total distance from A to B is s. Clear? In a straight line motion, the displacement is equal to distance. But when the body moves in a curved path, its distance displacement are different. Clear? This is a straight line motion. Rectilinear motion. That means the displacement, distance, same meaning. Now, I have already told you the formula. In this case, what is V is equal to? U plus AT. What is S is equal to? UT plus half AT square. Clear? V square is equal to U square plus two S. And Sn is equal to U plus A by 2 into 2n minus 1. Clear? This formula I have already told you. Again, it has some conditions, some notes. One is, if the body starts from rest, then U is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. Clear? The body starts from rest, its velocity increases from 0 to v, so there should be acceleration. So in this case, u is 0. Put in the all equations u is equal to 0. So then v is equal to put u 0, v is equal to 80, s is equal to half 80 square, v square is equal to 2s, Sn is equal to a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Clear? This is the equations of motion when the body starts from rest. Similarly, note 2. Note 2, when the body comes to stop, when the body come to stop, then v is equal to 0 and acceleration is negative, right? So initially the body velocity is u, finally the velocity is 0. So the velocity is gradual decreases, so acceleration is also becomes negative. That is a deceleration or retardation. In this case, a is negative, and putting in all equations a negative, B0. Clear? So in this case, from equation 1, what is 0 is equal to? U minus at t. What t is equal to? U by a. Similarly, in all the equations, put B0, A is negative. This is the equation of motion in a straight line. Body moves with uniform acceleration. So what is S nth? Distance traveled in nth second. I will derive that formula. S nth. S nth. S nth is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is formula for S nth. So what is Sn? What is Sn minus 1? Suppose this is body from A to B. A to, suppose this point B, this point C. Clear? At A, its velocity is u. So from A to B, the time taken is n second. Just before 1 second, the time t is equal to n minus 1 second. Right? So what is this? This is equal to Sn. This is Sn minus 1. This is Sn. Right? And this is Snth. Right? So what is Snth is equal to? Snth is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Clear? Now we'll derive the formula. What is Snth? Now, what is Sn is equal to? Sn is equal to un plus half n square. Right? Sn minus 1 is equal to un minus 1 plus half a into n minus 1 whole square. Clear? So what is Snth is equal to? Snth means BC. AB minus SB. Snth means BC. AB minus AC. What is AB? Sn. What is AC? Sn minus 1. Clear? So this is un minus u plus half a into n square plus 1 minus 2n. Right? This is equal to un minus u plus half n square plus a minus 2n. Clear? So this is Snth. So Snth is equal to un minus u plus half n square sorry again I will repeat. Clear? Snth is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Right? What is Sn? un plus half n square minus un minus 1 plus half a into n minus 1 square. Half a into n minus 1 square. Clear? This is Sn, this is n minus 1. Clear? That may be some wrong, so again I repeat this. Sn minus 1. Now, make open this equation. Un plus half n square minus u n minus 1 plus half a into n square plus 1 minus 2n. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2 into 1 into n. Clear? Now open the question. Now Sn is equal to un plus half n square minus un minus u plus half n square plus half a minus half a into 2n. 2 cancels out. Clear? Un cancel. So open the equation. So Sn is equal to un plus half n square minus un plus u. Clear? Minus half n square minus half a plus n. Plus half n square minus half n cancel out. Plus un minus un cancel out. Now Sn is equal to u plus n minus half a. Clear? U plus n minus half a. This is equal to u plus a into n minus half. Clear? This is equal to u plus a into 2n minus 1 by 2. What is Sn is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. This is Sn. Right? So this is equation for straight line motion. The body moving with uniform acceleration. Now, when the body falls from a height, or when the body rises upwards in a vertical distance, then what is the equation for equation of motion? Suppose when the body falls from some height, this point A, this point B, this is point A, this is point B, the body falls downwards under the force of gravity. Under the force of gravity, at A, its velocity is u, at a B, its velocity is b. The body falls downwards, so g is positive. Height h. Height is equal to H. Clear? So, when the body falls freely, falls under the force of gravity, under the force of gravity. When the body falls freely under the force of gravity, when the body moves downwards, then G is positive. What is G? Acceleration due to gravity. What is G is equal to? Acceleration due to gravity. What is the value of G? G is equal to 9.81 meter per second square, and 981 cm per second square. Value of G, acceleration due to gravity. So this value is considered always. This is SI unit, this is CGS unit. Clear? So we are using SI units. All books nowadays the SI unit is running. So I will use this equation, this value. G is 9.81 meter per second square. Clear? Now, so in this figure, U is equal to initial velocity. Initial velocity. U. B is your final velocity. B is your final velocity. Clear? H is the height. Height of fall. Height of a fall. Now, what is V is equal to? U plus GT. What is V square is equal to? U square plus 2GH. What is H is equal to? 50 plus half GT square. What is H and T is equal to? U plus G by 2 to 12 minus 1. Clear? This is equation of motion when the body falls under the force of gravity. In this case also, some notes. Note, if the body falls from rest, then U is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. Clear? When the body falls from rest, U is equal to 0. So in this equation, what is V is equal to? GT. What is V square is equal to? 2GH. What is H is equal to? Half GT square. And what is H and T is equal to? G by 2 into 2n minus 1. Clear? This is when the body falls from rest. Right? Similarly, Similarly, when the body rises vertical upwards, when the body rises vertically upwards, vertically upwards. Suppose A, this is B, clear? The body moves upwards, body, a body starts or moves upwards from A to B. Consider the motion of body from A to B. Its initial velocity u, final velocity v. So in this case, the height is h. Height is h. Clear? And when the body moves upwards, g is equal to negative. G is negative. Clear? So when the body rises upwards, the acceleration due to gravity is negative. Height h, initial velocity v u, final velocity is equal to v. So in this case, v is equal to u minus gt, right? H is equal to ut minus half gt square. V square is equal to u square minus 2gh. H and is equal to u minus g by 2 into 2n minus 1. Clear? This is equation of motion when the body rises upwards. Clear? Now, when the body rises upwards, again at a certain height, the body falls downwards. Clear? Body again go to this point, again return to this from this side. At this point, v equals 0. That means this is maximum height and body will not move upwards. So or when the body reaches maximum height, so v equals 0, right? Body go from this to this side, again here v 0, again body moves downwards. Clear? So at this point, v 0, h becomes h max, again the body return to ground level or falls to downwards. At this point, h becomes h max and velocity b becomes 0. So put here b 0. So v is equal to u minus gt. So v 0. What is u is equal to gt? But t is equal to u by g. T is equal to u by g. This is time taken to reach maximum height. This is time taken to reach maximum height. So what is the maximum height? Now we'll find out what is maximum height. Now we'll find out The maximum height reached by the body. The maximum height reached by the body. H max. What is height max? Clear? We know what is H is equal to ut minus half gt square. Put t is equal to u by g for maximum height. Put t is equal to u by g. Clear? So what is H max is equal to ut. T means u by g minus half g into u by 0 square. Clear? Now H max is equal to u square by g minus half g into u square by g square. Clear? G square cancel out. Right? What is H max is equal to u square by g minus u square 2g. So u square g common 1 minus 2, 1 minus half. Clear? What is 1 minus half? This half. What is H max is equal to u square by 2g. This is maximum height achieved by the body. That means that velocity is equal to 0. Again from that point, the body again turns to downward motion. It can also be find out another way. This can also find out another way. What if v square is equal to u square minus 2gh? Right? For h tends to h max, put v equal to 0. Right? For h is equal to h max, put v is equal to 0. So putting here, so 0 is equal to u square minus 2g h max. So what is h max is equal to u square by 2g. Right? This is equations of motion for straight line motion, when the body also rises vertical upwards and the body falls vertical downwards, and when body starts from rest, and when the body comes to stop, when the body reaches to maximum height. These are all details I have given you. Clear? Now I will again give you what differentiation method, what is integration method. Right? Now, what is S is equal to distance? S is equal to distance or x. Some boot takes x, I am taking s. What is velocity is equal to x dot or s dot. That means ds by dt. Dot means one time derivative. One dot, single dot. ds by dt, one time derivative. This is v. What is acceleration? A is equal to d by dt, clear, or x double dot or s double dot, two time derivative. Two time derivative means a is equal to d by dt into v. So d by dt into what is v? ds by dt is equal to d square x by dt square. So what is a is equal to d square x by dt square. This is another equation for acceleration. Again, this is also one acceleration equation. Again, a is equal to d by dt or v into or d by dt into s ds by ds. Clear? Into ds by ds, right? This is equal to ds by dt into d by ds. Clear? ds dv. What is this? v. So what is a is equal to v into d by ds. This is acceleration A. Acceleration A. This is acceleration A. This is also acceleration A. Clear? Or acceleration A is also acceleration is also A is equal to d by dt. d by dt. So d by dt into b. What b is equal to ds by dt. Clear? What is a is equal to d square s by dt square. Right? A is equal to d square s by dt square. Clear? A is equal to b d by ds. A is equal to s double dot. A is equal to d by dt. So all are these equations for acceleration. What is b is equal to x dot or s dot or ds by dt. Right? Now this is differentiation method. Or suppose given equation s is equal to 3tq minus 2t square plus t plus 1. This equation for displacement. Right? He is asking find velocity. So velocity v is equal to ds by dt. This is 3 into 3t square minus 2 into 2t plus 1 plus 0. Right? So v is equal to 9t square minus 4t plus 1. This is equation for velocity. This is equation for displacement. So what is acceleration? acceleration. A is equal to d by dt. This is 9 into 2t minus 4. This is A is equal to 18t minus 4. This equation for acceleration. Right? If he is asking find its displacement, velocity and acceleration after 10 seconds, then put here t joule 10, here t joule 10, here t joule 10, find the answer. Clear? Again I will integrate. This is differential method. This is differentiation method. Right? I will tell you what is integration method. This is differential method. Then integration method. Integration method. Suppose given A is equal to 2t minus 1. Given acceleration A is equal to 2t minus 1. Find its velocity and distance traveled by the body. So this is question 1. What is A is equal to? D by dt. This is 2t minus 1. The same place dv is equal to 2t minus 1 into dt. Right? So make integration to both sides. Integrating both sides. So integration of dv is equal to integration of 2t minus 1 dt. Right? So b is equal to 2t square minus t plus c1. What is c1? Constant of integration, where c1 is equal to constant of integration. Clear? I will do 2 or 3 more than 2 classes for differential integration. Clear? This is for methods, students. Okay, I will tell you what is differential, what is integration. Next, after complete this chapter, I will make you clear about differential integration. Now this is v is equal to 2t square minus t plus c1. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So he will given a condition. He can solve this problem. You can solve this problem, this velocity, by assuming some condition. Suppose he given after 10 seconds the velocity 20 meters per second. Then put t joule 10 second, b 20, find c1. Put the value of c1 here. Right? If not given anything, I can apply origin. At origin t0, s0, b0. Then you can find out c1. Clear? So we will apply at origin condition, or we can solve the problem by the condition what are given in the question. Clear? So this is B. Now what is B is equal to ds by dt. This is 2t square minus t plus c1. So what is ds is equal to 2t square minus t plus c1 into dt. Right? So this implies again integrate both sides. Again, integrating both sides, both sides. So this is integration of ds is equal to integration of 2t square minus t plus c1 dt, right? What is s is equal to 2 t square 3 minus t square 2 plus c1 t plus c2, right? This equation for dispersion equation 3. Equation 3. Again, see the question what condition are given. Suppose he is asking after 10 seconds the body reaches 200 meters. Then put t your 10 second as 200 meters, find C2. If not given any condition, then put initial condition. Initial condition means at origin, time taken 0, velocity 0, distance traveled 0. So put S0, T0, find T2, or C2, right? So this is the equation for displacement, velocity, acceleration by using differential method and integration method. Now I will do some problems related to this theory. Okay, problem I will start. Last class I have done 78 problems. 78 number problem. Now I will start problem 79. In statics, I have completed already 78 number problems. Now I will do 2 problems now, then I will start many more problems. So problem 79. 79. This is question 79. The question is the equation of distance travelled by particle is given by s is equal to 4tq plus 2t square plus 3t plus 4. Find the value of distance, velocity and acceleration after 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, right? The question is the equation displacement is 4t plus 2t square plus 3t4 plus 4. Clear? Now given s is equal to 4tq plus 2t square plus 3t plus 4, equation 1, and t is equal to 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, I will find out the value of displacement, velocity and acceleration. Now, this equation 1, displacement or distance. Now velocity. What is B is equal to? ds by dt. This is equal to 4 into 3t square plus 40 plus 3 plus 0, or t into 1, 3 into 1 plus 0. So what is B is equal to? 12t square plus 40 plus 3 is equation to velocity. Clear? Now acceleration. Acceleration. What is A is equal to? dy dt. So this is equal to 12 into 2t plus 4 into 1 plus 0. So what is A is equal to? 24t plus 4. Equation 3. Equation 3. This is acceleration A. Right? Now, the question is, find its values after 10 seconds. Clear? So after 10 seconds, after t is equal to 10 seconds, what is S is equal to? 4 into tq 10q plus 2 into t square 10 square plus 3 into t 10 plus 4. Clear? So S is equal to 4 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 30 plus 4. This is equal to 4000 plus 200 plus 34. Clear? So S is equal to 4234 meter. The distance traveled by the body. Velocity from this equation. Velocity. Now velocity v is equal to, this is from equation 2. From equation 2. This is from equation 1. From equation 1. So what is v is equal to? 12 into t square 10 square plus 4 into 10 plus 3. So v is equal to 1200 plus 40 plus 3. Clear? So 1240 43 1243 meter per second. This is velocity v. Now acceleration from equation 3. From equation 3, acceleration A. What is A is equal to? For 24 into t plus 4. 240 plus 4. 244. A is equal to 244 meter per second square. Clear? Now this completes problem 79. Now problem 780. Question number 80. Now, this is question number 80. A body moves along a straight line and its acceleration is given by A is equal to 2 minus 3t. Clear? After 5 seconds from the start of observation, the velocity was found to be 20 meter per second after 5 seconds. After 10 seconds from the start of observation, the body is at 85 meter from the origin. Clear? Find the acceleration, velocity and distance traveled by the body from the origin at the start. Number 2, the time taken after start when the velocity is 0. At 0 velocity, what is time taken? And the distance from the origin. Clear? When velocity becomes 0, what is the distance? What is time taken to reach 0 velocity? Right? First, given the equation A is equal to 2 minus 3t. Given acceleration A is equal to 2 minus 3t equation 1. What is A is equal to? dy dt. This implies dy dt is equal to 2 minus 3t. Clear? This implies dv is equal to 2 minus 3t into right? Integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. Now, integration of dv is equal to 2 minus 3t dt integration. Clear? But v is equal to 2t minus 3t squared 2 plus c1. This is velocity v. The given is after 5 seconds, the velocity is 20 meter per second. Given condition. What is condition? After t is equal to 5 seconds, what is v is equal to 20 meter per second. This is condition. So put here v20, t is equal to 5 seconds. So 20 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 3 by 2 into 5 square plus c1. So 20 is equal to 10 minus 3 by 2 into 25 plus c1. So c1 is equal to, make a solution, c1 is equal to 47.5. Put here. What is v is equal to? Now put c1 here. So v is equal to 2t minus 3 by 2t square plus 47.5. This is equation 2. Equation of velocity. Clear? This equation of velocity v. Now find out distance. distance. What is V is equal to ds by dt? This is 2t minus 3 by 2t square plus 47.5. Now, what ds is equal to 2t minus 3 by 2t square plus 47.5 into dt. Clear? Integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. Both sides. So integration of ds is equal to 2t minus 3 by 2 t square plus 47.5 dt integration. Clear? So what is s is equal to 2 t square 2 minus 3 by 2 into t q by 3 plus 47.5 t plus c2. 3 cancel out, 2 cancel out. So what is s is equal to t square minus t q by 3 2 t q by 2 plus 47.5 t plus c2. This is equation for displacement. Also the condition is given. After 10 seconds, the velocity reaches, the distance reaches 85 meter. Clear? So given condition, given after 10 seconds, s is equal to 85 meter. Right? Put t is equal to 10 seconds here and s is equal to 85 meter here. So 85 is equal to 10 square minus 10 q by 3 plus 47.5 10 plus c2. Right? Making solution, we will get c2. After solution, c2 is equal to 10. Put here c2. So s is equal to what is s is equal to t square minus t q by 2 plus 47.5 t plus 10. This is equation 3. Clear? Now, the question is find its values at the start from the origin. Right? The question is at the start from the origin or at the origin. At origin, put t is equal to 0. So what is s is equal to, from equation 3, what is s is equal to 10 meter. From equation 2, what is v is equal to 47.5 meter per second. Right? So from equation 1, what is a is equal to 2 meter per second square. Clear? This answer for velocity, acceleration, distance travel at the origin. Now, the question is find the time taken to reach zero velocity and what is the distance travel when the velocity becomes zero. Clear? The question is find distance time when v is equal to 0. First find time taken, then find distance traveled by the body at a zero velocity. So make from equation 3. So from equation 3, put v equal 0. From equation 2, not 3. From equation 2, what v is equal to 2t minus 3 by 2 square plus 47.5. At b0, put b0. So 0 is equal to minus 3 by 2 t square plus 2t plus 47.5. This is equation x square plus bx plus c. This is x square plus bx plus c 0. Quadratic equation. So what is x is equal to? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So put here x square. So this is x square minus 1.5 into e square plus 2t plus 47.50. Clear? This is a, this is b, this is c. X square plus bx plus c. What is x? So t is equal to minus b minus 2 plus times root over b square 2 square minus 4ac. A means minus 1.5, c 47.5 by 2a, 2 into minus 1.5. Right? This is quadratic equation. So take a positive sign. Clear? Taking positive sign, you can get t is equal to taking positive sign, you can get t is equal to 6.33 second. Answer. Or you can make common here minus sign common 1.5 t square minus 2t minus 47.50. You can answer, you can get answer 6.33 second. Or distance traveled at zero velocity. Distance traveled at v equal 0. But yes is equal from equation 3. S is equal to t square 6.33 square minus t q by 3 6.33 q by t 2 plus 47.5 into 6.33. You will get S is equal to 223.47 meter. Right? 475 meter. This completes our question. This question number 80. Next class I will do problems regarding this theory. Thank you. Make likes and subscribe to all our videos. Thank you.